Hi everybody, today's focus, I'm going to test out the Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaning Kit to see if it can help me clean my messy stovetop. So I have a very messy stovetop right now. It is an electric stove. I had a pasta boil over. I had some other things splatter all over my cooktop. So today seems like a great day to test out the Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaning Kit. So let's see what the kit includes. It has a 10-ounce Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaner, a 4-inch by 2.5-inch cooktop cleaning pad, a ceramic cooktop scraper, and a power grip pad tool, patent pending. So let's open it up and just see how we are to use this. Why are these always so hard to open? So this is the cooktop cleaner, and it says to use, remove any burnt on food with a single-edged razor blade Cerama Bryte scraper. So that came with the kit, so that's here. Let's take that out. So here's the scraper, it's just a single blade scraper. Okay, so then after you scrape everything off, then you're supposed to shake well, and then apply a quarter-sized amount directly onto a cool cooktop. Rub with a dry paper towel or the Cerama Bryte cleaning pad. I believe this is the Cerama Bryte cleaning pad. And then it says to buff the surface with a soft cloth or paper towel. Okay, there are some other uses you can use this for. You can use it on porcelain, stainless steel sinks, pots, pans, glass shower doors, shower walls, but do not use on stainless steel appliances. Good to know. It also comes with this handle that we can put the cleaning pad in and some extra directions, so I'm just going to look over those really quickly just in case there's something that we missed. So let's see how well the Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaning Kit cleans my stovetop. the Cerama Bryte Cooktop Cleaner did an amazing job at cleaning my stovetop. My stovetop is old. It has been used for quite a while. It is scratched up. It is what it is. And I wish I had used this product from the instant I got this stovetop. I didn't. I've tried all sorts of other sorts of pastes and cleaners on my stovetop, and it does have some scratches in it. Between the razor scraper and the cooktop cleaner itself, it really did just a great job at removing the stuff, and I didn't have to work so hard that my shoulder was hurting. So if you watch my channel, you know that I've had a shoulder injury and even all the way down to my forearm. So sometimes those motions can really hurt my arm. But I didn't have to put so much pressure on it. That's what I liked actually about this razor. I didn't have to put a lot of pressure on it. I was just, you know, just scraping along to get the surface food off. And then using this cleaner to finish up was absolutely great. So I'm very, very, very happy I tried this product, and I absolutely love it. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section, and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list, or you can mail me something. My mailbox address is in the description below. Just do me a favor and send me an email. That's also in the description below, so that I know it's from you and so I know I should check my mailbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.